This is the new scented candle arrival produced by Xuancheng Zhiwen Handicraft Company Limited. We choose the luxurious pink glass as the container. 230 grams of 100% natural soul wax is used as the raw material, and a few transparent pink crystal stones and pink flowers are dotted on the wax surface to inject new vitality into the candle. The top note is very energetic and the beautiful fruit fragrance. The pineapple and the grapefruit aroma is very fresh, like the first ray of sunshine in the morning into the bedroom. The middle note is a slight flower and fruit fragrance. Jasmine mixed with a fresh linen fragrance, sweet and a note greasy like a girl full of curiosity. Finally, the smell of vanilla and musk filled the whole room, making the original cold room and body warm instantly. And if you are interested in our home scented candles, please contact us.